What's going on, my people? Today is a day in the life of an artist and just a black man trying to get it. As you see right now, we're starting off with a nice smoothie bowl. Got to get our smoothie bowls together. We just left Costco, and you should have seen how fast everybody was trying to get these Alani Witch's Brew or something like that. They had a whole case of them, whole carton. Literally, people came in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes, sold out, just like that. And that's how we need to build demand when it comes to just our branding. When we drop a certain type of product, that have people raging like that. But I think a lot of that is stemming from TikTok. The Tropical Smoothie Cafe been having me in the choco with these acai bowls. But yeah, I noticed that anytime something's trending on TikTok, any stores or companies or certain brands, when it's going viral on TikTok, people would be buying it like Coke back in the 80s. And that's what I'm about to start trying to work on, how to build my brand up to have it as something like that not only people be craving for it, but it's not just going to be something that comes and goes. Like, I don't want it to just be trending for a little bit and then just go just that fast. So now it's all about building structure and a great foundation for this brand, because over the 10 years of customizing shoes or just creating art, I learned that you're going to have to build like a community and people who just rock with you for you, like not just for what you do, but rock with you for you. So that's one thing that I didn't have built up. Like, I didn't build up that foundation, and I'm learning from that, and I'm rebuilding on that now. And the main reason that I didn't build that up was just because, like, I see how social media now is, where everybody wants to know your whole background or whatever you're doing on a day-to-day basis, or just everything that's going on in your life. And I'm one of the type of people where I really didn't like showing everything that's going on in my personal life, just because I like to keep things separate from each other instead of like letting everybody know everything. Because how I feel like, if people know everything, they know how to try to get at you or pick at you or try to get under your skin and everything. So I just tried to keep social media just always just business, because that's the whole reason I really started using social media, was to grow my business. And now I feel like I gotta do that, which I don't mind. It's something new you gotta start involving, so that's something I'm gonna work on now. But next, I just got done going up to this hair store with my girl real quick, get her dropped off, and then I'm about to try to prep these shoes. Then after I prep the shoes, we got about an hour until it's time to go play basketball. Until it's time to go play basketball real quick. So I'll take y'all along with me on there as well, and then we're gonna finish the vlog up with finishing the shoes up tonight. So let's get back to the crib real quick and get to work. So the only type of prep that I'm about to get done is sanding these and then spraying some Bulldog adhesive, as well as masking it off, just so that Bulldog adhesive can air out a little bit, because that smell is too toxic. So now we're about to just get onto the road and get up here and have a nice hoop session in. Just got done getting our hoop session in. Now it's time to go home and get to these shoes. Let's see if they get a bucket real quick. Is he clutch? Kid. Look at that. Somebody was hacking me because. Hey. So that was an amazing hoop session. I definitely got to start setting up my tripod, but I lost mine, so I got to get a new one. But with this design, she wanted me to basically have it inspired by our high school team, and their logos is airplane. And then she also said that she's a nail tech artist, and she'd be doing her own nails and be having some cheetah print designs. So I wanted to incorporate that on there. So let's go ahead and get our base coat started and get into this custom. So this football season haven't been so busy for me, but I also think that's because I just haven't been marketing enough. So I'm about to try to up the marketing up a little bit more, so I can see if I can seal in some more cleats customs. But if not, basketball season is right around the corner, and we're just going to keep amping up this productivity with dropping more videos, and also just letting you guys see behind the scenes of what's going on in these projects. So we're just gonna be taking off all the stencils, and we have a complete shoe. But now this went into 2 days of this project, so I'm getting in another gym session real quick, and y'all gonna see some of that. I'm doing a little bit of pull-ups, push-ups, leg workouts, as well as taking some walks with my girl and getting some shots in. Huh?
I said I can't remember what I used to do. It's been so long.
It's all right. It's good that you get up in here looking sexy. I told myself I wanted to make a change and I wanted to be more disciplined. So I'm going to start incorporating more workout videos inside of my vlogs. And sometimes I might just drop a vlog of me doing different types of workouts to be able to push myself to become my best self. And that starts with my mind, body, and taking action. So let's get this work in. We're doing some high intensity workouts, and after that we're going to get some shooting in and walk on my girl.
Send me into orbit. Oh, send me into orbit. Take me to the moon. Wanna be with the stars. Send me into orbit.
You heating up, Lavish?
I'm back dropping every month. Pack my problems in a blunt. This milli filled up with a month. Fucking around and trauma dump it. Doing turnarounds right after turnarounds like it was nothing. I'm big money now, the niggas that's behind me that was frontin'. I don't wanna do this life shit alone, I ain't gon' hold you. But if fake love the only thing around it, I'm like fuck it. Put my own stunts, they do what niggas tell them human puppet. Cut them off the rip, they pleading all our problems to the public. Situation changing, but I ain't complaining. Still remaining to this red form in my head. But I'm famous to the trenches. So your bare arms, your face, they rearrange it. I was patient long enough, it's hard to tame it. Go to run my neck cause I'm king. Probably won't pick that phone up when it ring unless it's cash on it. Flow wanna yap and watch me flash on them. Button for my younger self cause I had nightmares about.
Just got our mount walk in too. How you feeling, baby? That's all right. That's the process of growth. Pushing herself, becoming great. Better than she was yesterday. So now we got our walk down. About to get up a couple shots real quick.
I don't be in clubs cause if they bump me cuz gon' drag homie. I remember not having no savings, just my last on me. Now I got a couple with like 20 cash on me. I told myself to keep grinding. I got hands and feet too, I wanna get shit done without having to ask for it. All I did was keep trying. Now it's on, in the stew I'm going strong. When I'm rolling up this strong, thinking this where I belong. Thick model situation, booty eating up her thong. She gon' fuck me in this boot cause she know I ain't coming home. I'm too locked in right now, disrespect me one time, my nigga gone. What you want? I'm the favorite on my way, not cause my song. They like, twin, where have you been when I come around? My money long, way longer than I stick around. I songwriter slash rapper, I got different styles. Throughout the city, get up with me, jock is going down. I missed Reed's graduation, fuck around, I let her down. When I touch these M for sure, I owe her extra 100 down. Niggas bitching but ain't trying to ride my way, that ain't allowed. Think about Maxie with my granny smoking till I leave the ground. Tryna figure out how I ain't know what's depression, you couldn't wiggle out. Going extra hard for all my folks, but y'all can see me now. Best advice to get your money up, so if you don't fuck with it, you can pass on it. I don't be in clubs, cause if they bump me, cuz gon' drag homie. I remember not having no savings, just my last on me. Now I got a couple with like 20 cash on me. I told myself to keep grinding. I got hands and feet too, I wanna get shit done without having to ask for it. All I did was keep trying.
Imagine if you were trying to do 5 at each spot. This would take 2 hours. Oh my Lanta, my arms are hurt.
I'm gonna stop missing. I understand it now.
Okay.
All right, so now that the cleats are all done, we're about to just admire these real quick, show a little small little B-roll, and I'm about to get these shipped out to my clients. But you guys will see an actual video of me customizing it. But I want to incorporate me working on these shoes as well as me just doing a day in the life of working out and playing basketball. So until next time, y'all stay blessed. After this rolls out, it's going to show that you can subscribe to the left as well as a video YouTube thing that you would like on the right. Appreciate y'all, and make sure y'all subscribe too.